Bro, no, instead of you wear your that shoe, brother. What are you doing here? Come on, see. If you come close to him, see. If you come close to him, see.
We don't have anything to talk about.
Babe,
If you see.
Go.
Where's my car key? Where's my car key?
Baba, no, see your car key, Baba. See your
No.
See,
Leave me alone.
Go,
Leave me alone.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Lenzi, aka Agidaba the Market Man, and with me I have
James Manuel.
James, they talk like big man. Bless say big man.
Well, I don't be big man like that now, you know.
How about you get money? Make we finish first. I go. Yeah, we be. You show love. Okay. So Mr. James here said he just came back from Germany. So Mr. James here just came back from Germany, and he said there is this particular girl that they have been dating. They have been dating online for like 3 years and 6 months. So right.
Yeah. We've been dating for like 6 not 6 years. It's 3 months. 3 years. 3 years and 6 months. Okay. Yeah. Her name is Flora. Okay. I've actually not met her yet. Okay. Yeah. So we've been speaking online, but
does she know you're back in town?
Yeah. I told her I'm back in town, but we're actually planning to meet today.
Okay.
So that's why I'm actually calling you so that you can see. I want to actually test her because I want to settle down, you know. Okay. I've been out of the country for a while, so I feel like I should just come back and settle down. My mom and my dad are also saying that Nigeria, come back home and you get the grandchild.
Get a grandchild.
Exactly.
That is tradition. Our parents don't play with that one. They always want you to.
Exactly. So that's why I had to come back. So I've been dating her for like 3 years plus, and she's actually a nice girl. You know, she's quite beautiful. She got the qualities of a lady, but I just feel like I should just test her if she's the gold digger type or she's actually the wife material.
Nice one. But Baba, sorry for my question. This is my question. Are you sure she's the only one? Yeah, you know, say on our way there away.
The sincere truth is
out of all, actually you.
Exactly. You know, when you have a word best and the rest are players.
Oh yeah. Okay. I understand that kind of thing. You know, say all these men we know they Niger. Okay, so you're going to call her right now and let's paste her the location and just call her right now and let's paste her location so she can meet up and let's see what happens from here.
Okay, dialing her number.
Okay, let's put it on speaker so that.
Hello,
Hi.
babe. Yo, babe, what's up?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm good. I've been trying to call like earlier on, but your number was kind of busy. Are you set now?
Network.
Are you set now?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm about heading out.
Okay. I'm waiting for you at the destination we actually planned to meet. So, can you meet me up there?
All right. Okay, no problem.
You need to call her back and tell her that you're going to send her the address of where we are. Just call her back and tell her. I'm going to say, just call her back and call her back.
Let me call her.
Yeah, call her back and tell her I'm going to send her the address of where we are. Not where you actually plan to meet. So maybe.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe she might not go into your apartment or something.
Exactly. Hello?
Yeah?
Oh, sorry. You know what? Let me send you the address of where I am now, because I don't want to go down to the initial plan. I don't want to come to the house. I want to meet somewhere else. If you don't mind.
Okay, no
I'm going to
problem.
forward that right to. I'm forwarding that as I'm speaking right now. Done.
Okay.
I've sent it.
All right.
All right. See you there in 5 minutes. Love you.
Love you too.
All right then.
Okay, so my people, we could just relax and watch as this one go be. Don't forget to share this video if you watch this video. Just let's relax and play along. Alpha bro, go down the come close now.
Yes, she should be. About 30 minutes to go, right?
No, yeah. So I don't the hungry yourself now.
Oh, she's even calling.
She the call.
She's calling now.
Hello?
Yo, babe, what's up?
Fine.
How are you doing? Where are you now?
Yeah, I just walked into the estate gate.
Oh, okay. All right. So what happened? Just walk down straight. You'll see a Lexus Jeep and a white Jeep as well. So I'm sitting beside it. Just walk down, look beside. By the right, you see me.
Okay, all right.
All right, then. See you soon.
Yeah.
Also, bro, see, she's close.
She's close.
Just hope this works out.
Yeah, I just hope it works out well too.
I'm actually planning to get married to her.
Jesus, bro, Jesus, you bought a ring.
For her.
Jesus, and you never even told me, guy.
Yeah, surprise.
God.
This one just said,
Damn, you guys. Jesus. I fall. Wait.
What's up?
Yeah. Sorry, let me help you, bro. Let me help you, my G. Sorry. This is sorry. Small.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Easy.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello, Dave. What's up? Come on. You're not gonna give me a hug, babe?
Speechless. Like, I don't understand what's going on.
So you can't hug me?
You calm down, that one will come. But I want to understand why you.
This is
Which one
James.
is that one we come? You can't hug your boyfriend first when you see your boyfriend.
Bro, I'm not the fellow you talk, oh. Especially the fellow talk here. What's going on, babe?
Babe, this is James.
Yeah, this is James, but you are not complete.
How am I not complete?
You don't have hand, you don't have leg. Abi?
Babe, I think I have 2 hands and I still have 2 legs. Or don't I have 2 hands?
Bro, 2 hands and 2 legs. I don't.
Wait, calm down. Babe, what's going on? Can you explain to me why you are bandaged? Because I don't understand.
Okay, so when I was young, I had a fatal disease.
Okay, young?
Yeah, during my teenage age.
And we've been dating for how many years? 3 years, and you didn't care to tell me about it.
I was hoping I'll tell you when we see face
Don't
to face.
give me that. What do you mean by you telling me? We do video call almost every day.
But come on, you told me that irrespective of what I look or how
No,
I look, you still love me.
not this kind of look now. I can't even walk with you on the road. Like, I'm so ashamed right now.
Wait. Why are you being very mean? Like, I don't understand. Like, is there anything wrong with him? Doesn't he? Why are you being too mean?
I ordered something, I'm getting something else. Like, I don't understand.
Babe, you spoke with me this morning.
Yeah, I did, and I just spoke to you not quite long, and you never still told me that you are disformed.
Jesus
Babe,
Christ.
I'm
So, I don't understand. Why are you being mean, eh?
Okay.
Which one is he is incomplete?
Is it complete now?
But babe, while I was
See,
out
you're
and we
making
were
me shout. People are hearing
talking
my
and
voice.
I was sending you all the love stuff, all the things of
All the money,
appreciation, all the
everything.
money. But why didn't you say if I should come back and look deformed, you're not gonna love me?
Because I never expected you should look this way now,
But
guy.
babe, what's wrong? What's wrong here? Come on.
God.
Jesus.
Babe, what
wrong
is
here?
all
But
this?
is there anything wrong here?
Guy, this is. I'm not even talking to
Come
you.
on,
What?
bro, come
Who
on,
are you?
bro.
Sorry, who is this?
It's my younger brother. Do you have a problem with my younger brother now?
Your younger brother?
Yes.
In Nigeria, yeah.
Oh yeah, I have a younger brother.
You didn't even tell me about it. That one is left beside. That one is away. I'm talking about your appearance, guy. You don't look good.
So what's wrong?
I don't understand. So wait, I don't understand. Do you mean now that you cannot?
No, I can't do this. No,
Babe.
this is absolutely rubbish. No, I can't do
Babe,
this.
do you know I actually came down
Jesus,
here so that
Rachel.
I could actually ask for your hand in marriage. Babe,
Look
come
at-
on, look at me.
there
I'm
is-
serious. I want to get married to you. I'm being real.
Error. It can't work.
Jesus.
I'm so ashamed standing right now with you. Talking about what's going to get married like this.
Shame of me.
How you even wear your suit? Guys, see, just they go back, I beg.
Oh man,
Yeah,
I can't believe this.
You are not so.
Oh, my bro.
I can't believe this.
Bro, my bro.
Oh man,
Bro,
I can't believe
ah,
this.
bro. Fuck, nah, bro. You don't get
no,
lost. Nah, bro. Nah,
After spent all the
bro.
millions,
No, bro. All this
spent
thing, see.
different money.
What's
Do
going
you know I trained this girl in her school?
Imagine.
She's telling me
Wait,
But bro,
Deformed.
no worry, bro. No worry.
babe, what's
Just-
going on with it? Why are you removing? I thought you said you have injury.
no, I have injury. I'm coming. I'm trying to see if the injury is still there. I have injury.
Want to you are there. You say he's incomplete.
Imagine.
It's your boyfriend of 3 years that you have accepted to see instead of you to hung.
Wait.
But I know instead of you wear your that shoe. But what are you doing here? Come on, see. If you come close to him, see. If you come close to him,
Babe,
see.
Look, we don't have anything to talk about.
Babe,
We don't have anything
wait,
to talk about.
babe.
Don't worry, just
If
talk about the man.
you see, I see.
Where's
I go. If you
Where's
come
my
close
car
to
key? Where's my car
Baba,
key?
no, see your car key, Baba, see your car.
No.
See,
Hey, leave me alone.
Come on,
Leave me alone.
Babe.
Leave me alone.
babe.
Can you stop this? You're embarrassing me. Stop it.
Come on, get the Come on,
Bro, can you imagine I'm deformed?
Please stop to
Baba,
me
leave am
now.
deformed.
I go match. Come on, leave, Baba. Baba, call this.